In this video, I'll show you how to turn a normal link in Shopify into a tracked link. Then I'll show you exactly what data gets recorded when someone clicks it. To do this, I'll use a tool called ClickMagick. If you want to follow along, you can use the link in the description to get a 14-day free trial. Let's get started. For this tutorial, I'm using a WordPress demo page to control the button, and the Shopify product page is the destination. I'll use that Shopify page as the final destination for the click. The button sends visitors to a Shopify clothing product page, but the direct link does not give me a clean click report by itself. First, I'll open the original Shopify product URL. This is the page visitors should land on after they click the button. Now I'll copy this direct product link, because this is the destination URL I want ClickMagick to track. Next, I'll open ClickMagick and create a new tracking link. I'll name it Shopify Product Demo, so it's easy to recognize later. Then I'll paste the Shopify product URL as the primary destination. Now I'll save the link. ClickMagick gives me a new tracking URL. I'll copy that tracking URL and go back to the WordPress demo page editor. Now I'll select the button and replace the old direct Shopify link with the ClickMagick tracking link. The button still looks exactly the same to visitors. The only thing that changed is the URL behind the button. Now I'll update the page, open the live version, and click the button once to create a test click. The visitor still lands on the same Shopify product page, so the experience did not change. But now the click passes through ClickMagick first, which means it can be recorded. Now I'll return to ClickMagick and refresh the stats. Here's the test click. Inside the stats, I can see total clicks, unique clicks, country, device, and other tracking information. That gives me a simple way to track clicks going to this Shopify product page. I hope this helped. Try ClickMagick for yourself using the link below. You'll get a 14-day free trial.